Says yeah, where is Aston on his little bike at the back with his bunnies?
Yeah.
We're back in Hanoi.
Touching me, eh? Touching me up. How to cross the road in Hanoi? Walking. And when you find a spot, you run as fast as you can to the other side or you die.
Cheers, Russ, for the recommendation. Here we go. You act like you've never seen a train before.
Never seen a train before. Crossing the road part 2. How do we cross this road?
You know what you do? You
What'd
wait
you
for
do?
the green man after.
Oh, you wait for the green man. I don't think there is a thing called a green man. There's a white man, and they love running them over.
Cảnh đẹp mà.
Place here is normally an absolute vibe.
There's a couple of blind monks who fucking chill. Coo-ee.
Do it! Suck on it! Just a random photo. No, we need a flash, Just a random photo, don't worry about it.
We're now on a boat. Finally seeing the sea for the first time. Aston's refusing to take part in the vlog at this point. So we got our own private bus to ourselves to get transferred to our little hotel. Aston, we'll get off in a minute. So we're on a little boat. Aston, xin chào. To some caves, I believe. We're in Nimbin.
Good! Woo! Just doing it with my feet. Pros. See, Vietnamese do it better. Oh.
Buddies. Oh my god, you're so cute. And this is the mummy. Hello. Oh, look at your babies. Hey. Oh my god. Look at these goats on the hill. Oh. Look at that for a petrol station. That is funny. Aston's playing Lego with the locals. I need to go work, and this poor cat just had dinner and look, it's just passed out on my little lap. I can't move. So I am the year of the tiger. Oh no, Austin just went. What is it? I would have done the same. I would have done. Is it you just That's so funny. A little plant growing under the lights. Who was growing the caves under the little light bulbs? It's quite funny. So this is the tiger cave.
My name's Bob the Fish. Hello, Isla. Do your best, David Attenborough Preston.
And over there in the wild of Vietnam, in Ninh Binh, you can see two colours of goat, one brown and one white. And if you come into the foreground, you can see the white ducks.
My dinner.
Yeah, baby, vegan food time. Yeah, it is duck last night. Tonight it's vegan goodness. Look at that. Yummy? I love this. We bought a bag of sweeties. Lantern bread. Really cute lantern.
Do you have a dolphin? Did you eat?
Stumbled across this.